Ba-da-ba-ba-oh. In an exclusive interview with our reporter, they reveal that the podcast is not based on imagination, and you can, or rather definitely will, find a resemblance in your lockdown life. So it's safe to say that the podcast is meant strictly for entertainment purposes only and does not intend to hurt the sentiments of any individual, community, sect, or religion. A leaflet, guys, like a leaflet has been published that advises viewers discretion. That's all for today, folks. This is me signing off. Janhit Nijari.
Hey guys, we are back! Whoa! Woohoo!
Took a lot of convincing, but here we are, finally.
अरे यार फलक.
अरे okay, sorry.
Hey, boo boo, stop it, babu. Hey, brah, you come with me.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
आई अगं ऍक्च्युली मी म्हणजे
Care to explain all of this?
अहो बाबा एक मिनिट दोघंही थांबा जरा. व्हॉट हॅव ऑल ऑफ यू गाईज टोल्ड बोथ ऑफ देम? मला आधी ते सांगाल का प्लीज?
अगं मावशी पुशिम विचार ना त्याला.
ए रावी बावळट गप्पा बस. हे माझे आई वडील आहेत. हा, मी त्यांना तुझ्यापेक्षा जास्त ओळखतो आणि तुझ्यासारखा बिंडोक नाहीये मी, कळलं ना?
ए चल.
Hey, what is Pintok?
पालीन टोल्ड मी एव्हरीथिंग.
अरे यार, why did he ruin the fun?
तनू बारीक झालायस रे.
हा,
व्हिडिओ कॉलवर कळतच नाही काही. आणि रावीची पण तब्येत खराब झाली आहे बरं का.
हो
तन्वीर,
हो बघ ना कशी वाळल्यासारखी दिसतीये.
हा तेच म्हणजे हो बाबा पण कसले बारीक झालेत गाई. शिट.
हो पोट तेवढं काही बारीक नाही झालेलं, तसंच राहिलंय ते.
वैभवी, पोटासाठीच चाललंय ग सगळं.
पोटासाठीच.
ए काय ग मावशी. ओ नाही हो काका, काही नाही, सगळं व्यवस्थित आहे.
अच्छा everybody lunch is ready.
Hey, let's go. Protein
कमाल
intake
वास येतो,
time, guys.
अरे वा,
बिर्याणीचा निकालच लावूया. चला.
आज या मुलांच्या हातची बिर्याणी खाऊन बघूयात.
अरे अंकल आंटी प्लीज आइए ना.
ए बाय द वे, मला एक सांगा, तुम्ही काय म्हणजे असे अचानक कसे काय आलात?
अरे मावशीकडे जायचंच होतं ना आम्हाला. तिच्या सासूबाईंची तब्येत नाही का, मी तुला म्हटलं होतं. सो वी थॉट ऑफ ड्रॉपिंग बाय फॉर सम टाइम अँड देन गोइंग टू हर प्लेस.
राईट.
आणि बरं झालं आम्ही आलो. ऍटलीस्ट वी गॉट टू नो ऑल ऑफ दिस.
हा,
ओ बाबा, आय एम सॉरी, खरंच सॉरी.
फॉर व्हॉट? डिड यू डू एनिथिंग रॉंग? एनिथिंग इलिगल? नो.
you help all of them when they needed it. You did right. But Tanu, you should have just told us.
Asked us.
हो, एकदा तरी सांगायचं रे.
अगं आई, मला खरंच कळेना माहितीये का, अचानक एवढी सगळी लोक आणि काय सांगायचं म्हणून मी काहीच बोललो नाही.
काय रे तू.
अरे डोंट वरी. वी आर सो प्राऊड ऑफ यू. यू आर ऑल ग्रोन अप नाव.
थँक्यू आई बाबा.
ए अरे तुम्ही चला ना लवकर, आम्ही थांबलोय कधीपासनं. तन्वीर
आलो ग बाई.
चल.
हा मस्त वास सुटलाय बिर्याणीचा. चला.
जग बुडी आल्यासारखी ओरडत बसते नुसती.
चला
आलो.
आलो.
चल रे गप्प.
मिस्टर केलुस्कर. येस.
Open the door.
तुम्ही मुलांनी
I am here to meet Tanveer Agassi and his parents.
कोणाला
टाइमपास.
अरे केळुसकर काका या ना.
I am secretary of the society, by the way.
Heartiest congratulations once again, Mr. Secretary.
एक मिनिट. वाय शी कॉंग्रॅच्युलेटिंग हिम?
Never mind. नमस्कार. Myself सच्चिदानंद अनंत केळुसकर.
आगाशे. माधव आगाशे.
नमस्कार. आणि ह्या
आई आहे ती माझी वैभवी माधव आगाशे. हा,
हो. नमस्कार. तरी मला अंदाज आला होताच बरं का खाली. हा म्हणजे काय, अर्थातच मनोरंजन. आय हॅव बीन कॉलिंग यू. जस्ट गिव्ह मी द.
अच्छा ते पॅकेट म्हणजे ते कुठलं तरी गोळ्यांचं असणार आहे नाही का. घेऊन जा तुम्ही, घेऊन जा हा नंतर.
कधी
येस आय विल कॉल यू रिगार्डिंग दॅट हा चलो चलो अच्छा
हा 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 ठीक आहे ठीक आहे ठीक आहे. तुम्हाला सांगतो माधव साहेब बरं का मॅडम, सुरुवातीच्या दिवसात फार उत्साह म्हटलं याने,
बर.
व्हेरी म्हणजे अगदीच.
अच्छा.
मग बोलून चांगलं शांत केलं एकेकाला, केलं की नाही हा? सारखा फोन करते. आय हॅव टू लुक आफ्टर एव्हरीथिंग. आफ्टर ऑल आय एम सेक्रेटरी ना.
सेक्रेटरी ना म्हणे.
यार why is he here, man?
I don't know, man. If he doesn't leave, let's call Twinkle.
I was actually going to suggest that, you know.
Right?
Yeah, I swear.
शेवटी कसं असतं माधव साहेब,
कसं असतं?
किड्स आर व्हेरी स्मार्ट दीज डेज. दे नो एव्हरीथिंग अबाउट एव्हरीथिंग. त्यामुळे कसं आहे, वी हॅव टू मॉनिटर देम.
आवरा याला.
घुबडाच्या डोळ्यात तेल घालून लक्ष द्यायला पाहिजे. काय बरोबर की नाही?
आय डोंट अग्री. बट एनिवेज वी हॅव टू लिव्ह नाव.
मुलं किती मोठी झाली तरी मुलंच.
Guys, I'll answer it.
वैभव यांनी काय धर्मशाळा केली आहे काय घराची?
Bhanu Prasad. Hey, and what are you doing here?
हेलो मैडम, सेक्रेटरी साहब है क्या?
Hey, hi. Is he here?
Ha, yes. Hey, wait. Both of you, wait.
अरे साहब, कितना ढूंढा आपको मालूम है?
अहो कुठे होतात तुम्ही? आई कधीपासून फोन करते तुम्हाला?
What is she doing here?
हा ठीक आहे. अगं मग काय झालं एवढं हा?
उचलायचं ना.
बरं आगाशी साहेब, दिस इज माय डॉटर साक्षी. धाकटे बरं का. हा
हॅलो साक्षी.
हॅलो काका. This is the most unexpected thing ever.
एक मिनिट
गांडो केलुसकर.
एक हमारे एक मिनिट.
Oh, sexy. Hi.
Hey, hi.
Yeah, we know her.
व्हॉट डू यू मीन?
Hey, brah. I mean, Kelu sir. Brah, I teach her boyfriend Bhavesh about workout, you know?
काय?
How to make his chest like
आणि
mine.
बॉयफ्रेंड.
व्हॉट काय व्हॉट? साक्षी भवेश?
नाही बाबा असं खरंच काही नाहीये.
कोण हा भवेश? तुला बॉयफ्रेंड?
बॉयफ्रेंड आणि मला छे
तुला बॉयफ्रेंड?
Is he having another stroke? Guys,
तुम्हीच सांगा मला आता, हु हॅज अ बॉयफ्रेंड इन दिस एज?
who doesn't have a BF these days, huh? My ass.
मॉनिटरिंग कमी पडलेलं दिसतं.
हा चला छातीत कसं तरीच होतंय माझ्या. चला घरी घरी जाऊनच बोलू आता. चला. भवेश आहे काय नाविका? चल रे भानुप्रसाद.
उगीच बडबड करायची स्वतःच्या मध्ये.
अरे तू चल रे बाबा चल.
बोलता थांबला. त्याला काय आयडेंटिटी क्रायसिस आहे?
Karma, man. I love you, Karma.
Yes, I know, right? कर्मा.
I know right justice was served.
भगवान सच में है फलक. डोंट वरी.
काय विचित्र माणूस आहे हा. ए लांबच राहा त्याच्यापासून जरा.
हो ना, बिंडोक आणि अतिशान.
माधव तनू चला, आम्हाला निघायला हवा आता. मावशीकडेच राहू आज. हा निघतो आम्ही.
बरं ठीक आहे.
ओके गाइस, चलो टेक केअर, बी सेफ. तन्वीर बघ रे. हं?
हो बघतो.
चला माधव निघूयात ना. हा चला. मस्त वाटलं सगळ्यांना भेटून. आणि पुण्याला या सगळेजण.
येस
वी विल.
टेक केअर. सगळे नीट घरी जा. हा बाय. सी यू.
Bye.
सावकाश जा आणि दोघं आणि कळवा मेसेज करून हा.
बाय
बाय
बाय.
काका, सावकाश जा.
रावी खुमार ये बर का नक्की.
Yeah, we will.
Yes.
Bye,
मजा आ गई.
फोन करा किंवा मेसेज करा.
हाँ, see you soon.
थोडी
Take care.
surprises
Bye
दिल्या
bye.
जातात.
Thank you.
Bye. I still cannot believe that my parents actually came and left. Someone pinch me here. Oh my god. What just happened with Keluskar?
I know.
my god, honestly. Finally
तोंड बघण्यासारखं होतं यार.
anything. You couldn't say anything. Oh my god.
I still can't believe that it's been more than 2 months since we met.
It feels just like couple of weeks before. And also feels like we've been together for the longest time. You guys. I'm going to miss you.
I don't know what to say, guys. All of you. This house, these rooms, these faces have become my life. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what am I going to do once I'm out of here. I actually don't make friends easily. But you know what? I have never had many friends. But now I have got 7 of them. The truest, the bestest.
The sweetest man. It's okay.
अरे यार पालीन शांत हो शांत.
Paleen, it's okay. Look here. See, if there's anyone truly innocent in here, it's you, Paleen. Thank you for taking care of me. Rather, taking care of all of us, right?
Yeah, right.
Have you observed? All of us are actually so different as individual people. But somehow, we managed to go together for so long. Says a lot about all of us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you all for strengthening my belief in coexisting and spreading love no matter what.
Correct. And people sitting in this room have always maintained that integrity. Right?
Right. Truly.
I mean, we've definitely fought over probably everything, but that's because everyone's opinion is important and it matters equally.
Exactly. I have seen a lot of things, trust me. But I'm sure that I will never see anything more beautiful than the times that we've spent together. Thank you all for being yourselves. I love you all, genuinely.
Wonderfully said, yeah, guys. Like, really, like, that was beautiful. You know what? I've seen so many unknown, unexpected shades and sides of all of you and even myself for that matter in these 2 months. You know, something to live by our coming lives.
Hey Manoranjan, yaar, don't be so hard on yourself. I should firstly thank you for forcing me to come here.
I know, right?
I could have all of this because you pushed me enough. Thanks, man.
As a fella, you know, tell me one friendship that you're gonna treasure the most. Come on.
With Tanveer.
अरे यार फलक. Hi. You are my delight. I don't know what to say, yaar.
You will though. You always do. You know, I wasn't looking for anything with anyone. I usually never do. I like to go with the flow, you know.
You know what? You know, it's really funny how our memory is so vivid and so clear about the best and the happiest times. Yeah?
Haina.
Not again, yaar.
Perfect.
Oh man.
Yeah, and you also know me now. I like surprises, and my god, the kind of surprises that I got here, I couldn't have asked for anything more. Thank you, Benj.
Oh, Bubu.
And thank you all.
Yeah, like truly. So what Bubu just said about not looking for anything, I can relate the most to it, you know. Until you all, I was living in such a limited space. All of you taught me hell lot of things, knowingly and unknowingly. They say that the times which we spend laughing are the best, and all of you have given me loads of those times.
I will give anything to spend all this time once again. You know, just once again. Thank you for accepting me as it is, guys. Thank you so much.
Paleen, chill, bruh. It's not like we are not gonna meet again, you know. But I love you guys to infinity! And Robbie and Maui, I got you, gals. Finally, my bunty bubbly. My God, come here, I'll squeeze you.
We love you.
We love you, Ben.
But no, yaar. Like, these last 2 months have been one hell of an emotional roller coaster. है ना? मतलब see, sometimes we feel that we should be feeling something for that time. And sometimes we are actually feeling those things. I got to experience these things and the difference between them so vividly here, yeah. And you know what? I got to know myself better. Although that doesn't mean that I am, clear and sorted. But I think neither of us are. है ना? And it will take time. But I think at least we can manage ourselves better now. Huh?
Truly.
And also, like, this is no individual process, huh? Like, this happened because all of us were in this together, by each other's side. My God, thank you so much, yaar. All of you, I love you all.
Malvi yaar, you've grown so much, re.
है ना?
She has. That's my girl, guys. And what she said about feelings is so important. We forget everything over time, but we always remember how someone made us feel. We just can't forget that. Thank you, everybody, for making this group so weirdly beautiful and complete. I love you, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Aren't you going to say anything, Tanvir?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, say something.
Tanvir, bro, come on, man.
Yeah. I'm thinking that what if I hadn't called Ravi for the lockdown?
Damn.
Huh? I mean, none of this would have happened. Or what if any one of us didn't do anything that led us to this? How dramatically different everything would have been.
Damn again, bruh.
Anyway, the point being that it's already written and we just follow through it, thinking as if it's a fresh experience. We try to control everything, but do we really control anything? अरे यार, पालींचं बघून तर I know I'm going to control my feelings once all of you have left, but will I really be able to control them? We all know the answer anyway. Thank you for making my life so colorful and so meaningful. Love you all.
Love you too, bruh. Love you too.
Come here, you guys. Let's not go with such sad faces. Come on. Group hug.
Hey, are you guys taking me also now?
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Bye. Anything, anytime,
You guys are the
whatever
best.
you guys
Take care.
want,
Bye-bye.
You know whom to
Bye,
call.
bye.
Gulab Sina, aka Benchadars. I love you all.
Ravi.
बोला.
कुछ नहीं. I'll miss what we had.
Yeah.
Chalo, see you.
Manoranjan,
Yeah.
drop me home.
Yeah, sure.
So, here we are. Hoping to see you soon.
Yeah. Me too. Ping me once you reach, okay? And keep me posted.
Bye.
Everybody, keep me posted. Just text me once you reach home, okay?
Yes, Tanvir.
Go home safe. Saukasa.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, Tanvir.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you all right?
Yeah.
अच्छा, everybody left क्या? Because I met everyone downstairs, and I met Ravi as well. Man, this feels so weird, yaar.
Yeah. Feels like an end of something very significant.
Yeah.
Like a part of me just went missing.
How are you holding up?
I'm not. I mean, I can't, man. Look at the house.
Yeah, man.
It's gone hauntingly silent. You know what? I'm going. I cannot take all this noise.
I understand, yaar. I do.
Yeah. See you, man. Bye.
Yeah. चलो. See you, man. Bye.
है ना?
Prescribed quantity.
बेबी ट्विंकल
अरे डोंट रब हिज चेस्ट पालीन
अरे किळूस कर का
जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा यार.
हॅलो आई हां नाही मी पुण्यालाच चाललोय घरी हो ऐकून घे आय हॅव ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट काम करतो आता तुला घरी जाऊनच सगळं सांगतो हां हो तुम्ही या सावकाश बाय लव यू Why is she calling me now? Hello?